Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher right adjuster housing. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new right adjuster housing. The right adjuster housing contains the adjustment mechanism for the right side of the upper dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and you can't adjust the rack up or down. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can pull out the upper rack so we have access to the right adjuster housing. In order to get the housing off, we have to take the cover off. It's held in by a couple locking tabs right where these little slots are right here. So we're just going to take a small flathead screwdriver, stick it in there and flex it so it comes out. Once you have this side done, you can do the other one. And we're going to pull it out a little bit. And we have to pull it down so the tabs on top come out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. To get the adjuster housing off, we're just going to lift up on the rack a little bit to take the weight off of it. And then we can push it so it comes off the dish rail right here. And then there's two tabs on the bottom. We just have to lift it up. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old right adjuster housing next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new adjuster housing on, we're just going to lift up on the rack so it's in the up position. Then you want to set the lower two tabs onto the dish rack and then lift it up into place. You may have to move the adjustment lever so it goes up into place. And then lift it up so it snaps onto the upper rail. Once you have it in place, we can put the cover back on. To put the cover back on, you want to make sure that these little tabs go up into the slots in the housing. You have to move it around a little bit to adjust it so they go up in there. Once you have it in, you can snap in the two lower locking tabs. Once you have it secure, you can push the rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.